guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today we will create very beautiful commercial advertisement in Adobe Photoshop CC using 3D objects from PixelSquid.com. So guys, let's start. I have created my simple document. You can create your document in any size you like. I created my document with transparent background, and I will use yellow color, very beautiful bright yellow color for my background, just like that. In the PixelSquid library, I have this very beautiful glass with orange juice. I will click on it. Perfect. I will rotate it. Using move tool, I will reposition it and I will resize it. Just like that. I will click OK to accept all changes. Maybe I will rotate it more, just like that. Perfect. Now I like my glass, but I would like to move it slightly to the side. Perfect. I would like to have shadow in my 3D object, and also I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution. Now guys, I will highlight my background layer. I will click on another 3D object I would like to use. I will rotate it slightly. I will resize it. I will make it smaller, and I will reposition it just like this. And I will click OK. I would like to have shadows, and also I would like to have my orange in high resolution as well. I have a discoloration between my orange juice glass and this orange. I will click on a color lookup adjustment. I will specify that I would like to apply adjustment only to my orange, and I will apply full color that look, and voila. Basically guys, we are done, but in all my design I would like to apply few extra details. I would like to make my design more interesting. So right now we have everything is bright yellow or orange colors. It's nice for orange juice commercial, but if we will add more details, it will be much better. I will click on add new, and I will click on this beautiful leaf. I will rotate it. Also, I will rotate it directly on my canvas, just like this. Maybe I will make it smaller, just like that, and voila. I don't need shadows, and I need in high resolution. And voila guys, this is our design. So guys, thank you for being with me. This is what I wanted to share with you. If you have some time and you would like to dig deeper into this topic, please stay with me. And guys, let's start. I have created my simple document with transparent background, and I will use paint basket tool to create to apply very beautiful and bright yellow color to my background layer. Why yellow color? Guys, because we are working on juice commercial for summertime, I would love to create something in bright colors, because it's sun is all about beautiful bright colors, about bright sun and everything like that. So using bright colors for my summer design, I think it will work the best. So this is my yellow background. I will switch to move tool, just like that, and I will click on this 3D object I downloaded from PixelSquid.com. By the way guys, this is the PixelSquid.com site. Let me PixelSquid.com, just like that. This is PixelSquid.com site. You need to create your account, and guys, look at this. PixelSquid, you can download anything you like from PixelSquid.com. You can download any 3D object you would like to work with. Example, guys, let's download holiday feast objects. I will click on it, and voila, guys, look at this. If you would like to preview any object before you will download it to your PixelSquid plugin in Adobe Photoshop CC, simply click on this object just like that, and you will be able to preview this object. Also, guys, you will be able to rotate this object in any way you like, 360. After you will be happy and you will say, yes, this is what I want to work with, download it to your PixelSquid plugin in Adobe Photoshop CC, and voila. So guys, let's back to our design. I will click on this orange orange juice glass, just like that, and directly in the PixelSquid plugin, I can rotate my object. So I will rotate it maybe more. Perfect, I like it, and I will reposition it, and using the move tool, I will resize it. I will make it bigger, just like that, and I will reposition it, and I will click OK. Guys, definitely I would like to have shadows, particularly in this 3D object, and also I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution. So I will switch from a low resolution to high resolution, and voila, perfect. I like all colors, I like everything. And now I would like to add another 3D object, because I would like to add another 3D object behind my orange juice glass. I will highlight my background layer, and I will click on 3D object I would like to work with, just like this. I will rotate it. Using same move tool, I will make it smaller. I will bring size down, and I will reposition it, and I will click OK to accept all changes. Guys, definitely I would like to have shadows under my orange, and of course I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution. So again, I will switch from low to high resolution. Nice design, perfect orange, perfect orange juice glass, everything. But I have a slightly discoloration between my orange juice glass and my orange. I would like to bring everything in harmony. So what I will do, I will click on color lookup in adjustments panel, just like that. And because I would like to apply adjustment only to my orange, not to my background, not to my orange juice glass, I will, in properties panel, I will click on add clipping mask, just like that. And now I will apply adjustment only to the layer below my adjustment layer, so only to my orange. And in properties panel, I will switch to full colors dot look adjustment, and voila, look at this. How beautiful is it, guys? Basically we finished our design. We can add text, we can add anything you like. We can add as many details as we like. We can have as less details as we like, or as our customer wish. But guys, everything, it's my design, current design has too much harmony. Everything in yellow and oranges colors. This beautiful, but guys, we kind of losing some wow factor in our design. We have only straw in kind of a light blue color, and because of that, because I would like to apply splash of wow factor, I will add another 3D object. You can add 3D object, or you can add different design, or you can add shape. You can add anything you like. Just bring more contrast into your design. So to add more contrast in current particular this design, I would like to add 3D object. So I will highlight my background layer. In the PixelSquid plugin, we have very beautiful palm 3D object, palm leaf 3D object. I will click on it, and voila, guys. I can rotate it directly in my PixelSquid plugin. Also, I can rotate it on my canvas, just like that. I will move it, just like that, and voila, guys. What I will do, I don't need shadows in this 3D object. I don't need it, but I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution. So I will switch from low to high resolution, just like that. You can play with this particular 3D object. Example, in layers panel, you can play with blend modes. Just preview and use any blend mode you like the most. I like kind of hard light blend mode, just like that, and voila, guys, look at this. Beautiful. I love it. And we are done. We have created very beautiful design for commercial advertisement in Adobe Photoshop CC using all 3D objects from PixelSquid.com. Guys, it's easy, it's fast, and it's perfect. We don't need to create any 3D object from scratch. Everything is ready for you. Just go to PixelSquid.com. Download your 3D object and create very beautiful and unique art. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. If you have any questions, please ask. I will be more than happy to answer to any of your questions. Super appreciate your time as always. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. And I will see you later. Bye.